Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the 6 key steps that cause things to go viral. I learned these tactics from a book called Contagious by Jonah Berger. It's a great read for anyone who's interested in why things catch on. Jonah talks about 6 steps, steps being an acronym. Let's go through them now. S is for social currency. How does it make people look or feel to talk about a product or an idea? When it comes down to it, people are focused on themselves. Whether you'll admit it or not, we're constantly doing things because of how we want to be perceived. If you want to be viewed as positive, you'll be more likely to write lighthearted posts and share inspirational quotes. If you'd like to be known as the funny friend, you'll be more likely to share memes and funny video clips. And if you want to feel helpful, you're more likely to share content that's educational or informative. Makes sense, right? T is for triggers. How do we remind people to talk about our products and ideas? What stimuli prompts people to think about related things? Think about it. When I say peanut butter, what do you think? If you position your brand alongside triggers, they'll talk about you when they think about your products and services. For example, if my friends see content related to owls or black snapback hats, they'll think of me and TKM Co. They'll usually send it to me and be more likely to talk about me when someone needs my video, photo, or marketing services next. Top of the mind, tip of the tongue. E is for emotion. Naturally contagious content evokes some sort of emotion. The more emotional, the more likely someone is to share it. Polarizing content is more likely to go viral, despite its potential negative viewpoints, because it evokes an emotion of anger in others. However, viral content doesn't and shouldn't always be negative or controversial. Capturing heartwarming emotion, especially through video, is a great way to make your content potentially go viral. When you're creating content for your target audience, decide how you want your piece of content to be perceived. What emotion do you want it to evoke? The first P is for public. Can people see when others are using your product or engaging in your desired behavior? People will notice if you start gaining traction in your business and your following grows exponentially. They'll start to wonder and talk about your brand, hopefully in a positive light. People tend to trust a product or service more when they see social proof that others have tried it and it works well for them. This is why it's so important to refer back to your testimonials throughout your content strategy. The next P is for practical value. This is similar to the idea behind S, social currency, but different nonetheless. Here's the thing. People like to help others. It releases dopamine in your brain when you provide value to another person. Create content that is easily consumable and truly helpful to your target audience or your target audience's audience. And finally, S is for stories. We need to make our message so integral to the narrative that people can't tell the story without it. People are social creatures and storytelling is in their blood. Brainstorm ways that your business can associate so closely with an impactful story that the story can't be told without talking about your brand. Implementing these 6 elements into your business's content strategy will help you increase your brand awareness and take your business to the next level. Write down a list of ideas you can implement for each of these steps, and I'll see you in the next video.